Kumusta? Ngayon gagawa tayo ng portfolio website. So, samahan niyo ako. Huwag kayong aalis. And, tara! Now, there are several tips na pwede tayong gumawa ng portfolio. Basically, maraming ways na paggawa ng portfolio. Hindi ko sinasabing ito yung isang way paggawa ng portfolio, but this is what works for me. So I'm sharing this to those who want to create their own portfolio, or if you just graduated out of college and want to start your own portfolio, or you're looking for a job. This is one way on how you can get a job based on my experience. So dito makikita nyo yung ginawa ko. Actually, this is a mock-up I created year 2012. So basically, ito yung super nag-start pa lang ako. I'm still looking for what I'm good at, but yeah, we will be using this one as an example. Basically, it's just plain. So, katulad yung sinabi ko dati, I'm a bit minimalist type of guy. So, ayoko nang masyadong maraming, if it doesn't do anything good into the page, I'll just totally remove it. So, yeah, this is a mock-up wherein I'm just placing all the essentials. So, tip number 1 when creating your portfolio is have your flow simple and straightforward. Kasi kung meron kang 1 minute time frame to present yourself, you must present it in the simplest way as fast as possible. So hindi mag-aantay ng buong araw yung nagse-search ng work para sa'yo, kasi marami silang options. So kung meron kang maliit na window, say 1 minute, do it your best na ma-present mo yung work mo as fast as possible. So, one way to create a simple and straightforward portfolio is tell your story. So, matitingnan nyo dito, above the fold, first is, we have sino ako, who you are. Then, under that, for the navigations of what you do, your thoughts, and how to contact. So, I place it here kasi gusto kong medyo maging unique yung dating. I want to break in sa box type na mga type ng portfolio, like parang kinuha mo lang siya sa mock-up or something. Parang na-download mo lang ng libre tapos pinalitan mo lang ng pictures. So, huwag niyong gagawin yun. So, as much as possible, if you are a web designer or applying to be a web designer, design your own and make it unique, make it you as much as possible. So, basically, ang parts na pwede mong gawin sa portfolio is define who you are, tell them who you are first, then what you do. So here, what you do and your areas of expertise, and how can you be reached. So, paano kanila makakontakt? So, and so, makikita nyo one feature na I have it here, or one idea that I have here, is that every section is I have call to action, wherein gusto ko every section when they are decided on that specific page, or they would want to contact me after reading that specific section, there's a quick link para makontak nila ako. So you don't have to look back at the top or scroll down further para hanapin na paano ko ba ito kontakin, ano bang contact details ito. So yeah, so that's the first step. So basically, I have it here as what you do, who I am, my thoughts, because way back 2012, I was thinking of creating a blog, but I wasn't really successful on creating a blog. But at least it has the ideas there. So, and then the contact page, wherein the contact page, ang idea ko is magkakaroon pa ng QR code, but not everybody uses QR code, so I scratched that idea. And yeah, second tip would be the IDOT skill. So, what are you applying for? If you are applying for as a web designer, then what has to be there in your portfolio should be web design related. Kasi isang mali ng mga beginner is, katulad dito, isang mali ko dito is, alam niyo yun, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo magaling. That's why we place all the stuff that we think we can do. We want to sell ourselves as jack of all trades, master of none, which is not good. Second tip is yung tinatawag na IDOT skill. When it said na IDOT skill, it is one way for hiring talented individuals or creatives. So it was stated by Tim Brown, IDOS CEO, way back 2010. So in the taste skill, what we have is, for the vertical part, we have this depth of related skills and expertise in a single field. And sa horizontal, we have the ability to collaborate. Basically, it is to empathize and be enthusiastic. It is to emphasize and being enthusiastic about other fields. So, what I'm trying to say here is, focus on what you are applying for. If you are applying to be a web design, place all your best web design creations. Diba? Hindi ko sinabing lahat, but pick the best. No fillers, all killers. Diba? So, this is a working prototype. You'll see the idea is still there. First half is, sa upper part is we have that kung sino ako. Then, kung ano yung pangalan ko, basically, ito ako. It's too far from what I have got. Then, still, the same navigations. So, I won't suggest to create a one-pager website like this one, but this is what works for me. So, yeah. So, basically, ito yung link sa resume ko. So, I call it anti-resume because I don't really like the idea of having that plain white paper with all of mukhang bio data. So, yeah. So, what you do, it will bring you to what I do. And so, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, just focus on what you want to work on. So recently, I've been working as a web designer for real estate. So here are my best works on real estate. Then there are links here on Behance. Kasi nga hindi ko kayang i-post lahat dito on a single page. And I don't want them to scroll too far. So yeah. So also, sabi ko nga, these are some expertise I got on my field. So, ano ba yung related dun sa web design? Siyempre, HTML, CSS, basic jQuery, Photoshop, Illustrator, and SketchUp. So, pwede kang magdagdag as much as possible. But these are, for me, these are the most relatable stuff that I know that would help or would give value the client. So when they know that you know this stuff, there's a higher chance that they would hire you. So again, we have this link or the call to action button to the contact page. Then a brief description about me. This is where I place all my uniqueness, kung sino ako, and another CPA. Then The idea here is just be real, just be you. So they would know that they are hiring a person who knows what he's doing. And another thing is, ito yung sinasabi ko sa blog feed. So basically, I don't have blog feed, but I have a YouTube channel. So actually embed here the YouTube channel. This is a playlist that I currently have. Then another call to action. Then ways to contact me. So mobile, email, and yeah. So one last message for them. Then link another to the resume. Then here is if they want to view everything back again. So hindi na sila kailangan mag-scroll pa. So click that. Then boom, back to the start. See and talk again. And then who are you? Then scroll back. What you do? Yep. So when I click this one, it will bring them to Behance. So yeah, this is what works for me. So basically, 50% ng clients ko as a freelance were from referrals. Then another 50% were from portfolio. So basically, I send them my portfolio for them to review, and if I can help them, then they would hire me. So ayan, hope you find this video helpful, and yeah, if you have any questions or concern, just let me know. So one last question for this week is, what are the things that you are looking for in a certain portfolio? So let me know in the comments below, and yeah, see you next week. Salamat!